Okay, pick out 6. Which
Let's do this
group
one.
are we doing? The short ones?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, and then the short car category. We're gonna see who wins out of the short car category. Got them?
These are pretty cool cars.
Oh, there you go.
I can handle them.
Okay, put them up there.
What?
Put them up there.
There's an army tank car. And here's the good car. We
You
like.
think that one's gonna win?
I think this one's going to win.
Okay, the black one with the orange.
Yeah.
You got $50 on it?
Yeah.
Ooh, it was that blue one with the orange. Winner. These all go to the losers bracket.
You know what?
Let's see
You know
our.
why the fire car's not in there? Because it's make sure all the
Sure,
winner
winner
brackets are doing
brackets.
good.
Yeah.
It's right beside it because the safety car.
Okay. Which category is next?
Let's see. The big tracks.
Okay, pick out 6.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh yeah, we got 6.
Okay.
Got 6 now. Let's do this. Now it
So
has to go
process
there.
of elimination. We're gonna find out who the fastest car of them all is. Does it fit?
Nope, it don't
We'll
fit.
take that one out.
Let's pick out a different one instead.
Okay.
Okay, let's,
Here, you want this truck right here?
yeah, you can have that truck. The truck can go back there. And this milk truck can go here. And this ambulance can go here. And this truck can go here. And then, are you ready?
Mm-hmm. Lane 3, which one was that? The blue one? The blue with the cow on it.